Hi here, thank you for coming in. My name is Shuga and you're welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the different things that you need to start doing or that you need to keep doing or improving on in order to change your acne experience, in order to change your skincare story. Now, in the previous video, I did share with you lifestyle habits, lifestyle behaviors, routines that we do on a daily basis, okay? That keeps affecting our acne, that keeps making your acne come back every single time. I'm going to leave that video linked in the card here for you to see. I'm also going to leave it in the description area for you to go and check out as soon as you're done watching this video. And I did promise you in that video that I was going to come back with a counter video to share with you the things that you should actually be doing, that you should be paying attention to, especially if you're someone who is looking at improving your skincare game, especially on your face, whether you are using skincare products or not, whether you're using affordable cheap products or whether you're using very expensive products, okay, you guys. And that is what I am here to share with you guys. Remember, like I said in the other video as well, that most of these things, okay, are also coming from personal experience, okay. And if you have any personal experience about things, habits, lifestyle routines, whether it had to do with your diet, okay, or daily lifestyle that you had to change, or that you changed and you saw worked for you, please leave it in the comment section below. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification on this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Please share this video if you find it helpful or relatable in any way, okay, you guys. And we're going to go straight into that video. Okay. Now, the very first thing that is something that we hear every single day, but we still do not pay attention to it. And I can understand, especially if you're grown up or if you're adult and you have a lot of things, responsibilities to deal with, that sometimes wear you out and you cannot actually keep up with this routine. But then again, remember, I said that is why it is a lifestyle habit. These are things that you're supposed to do just as much as you cannot step out of your house without brushing your teeth or without taking your bath. In the same way, you need to apply these things. There are things you cannot afford not to do on a daily basis. And the first thing is washing your face at least 2 times every day, most especially if you already have acne breakouts, if you already have pimples on your face already, no matter how small or how big or how severe you think the pimple on your face currently is. Let me tell you a quick backstory to this as well from my experience. Initially, okay, yes, used to bath 2 times a day, but we know that it's not always the reality, okay, and I barely wouldn't pay attention to it because but I began to notice that anytime I eventually wash my face 2 times, okay, like if I wash my face 2 days ago, if I had washed my face 2 times a day in the morning and in the evening 2 days ago, washed it twice yesterday, by this morning my face will suddenly be glowing. Majority of the acne or pimples and breakouts, if not all of them, would have completely disappeared and vanished. And I began to take it a little more serious, okay. So even if I'm too tired to get into the bathroom, I would force myself to at least go and wash my face, whether I use makeup or not. I will go and wash my face with soap and water, or most of the times I would also get a good face wipes, okay, that contains salicylic acid and tea tree oils, especially for those of us who have acne or who are acne prone, okay. Especially also if you already have little breakouts on your skin, I would always go out of my way to get those face wipes because they always work magic for me. So the time I don't have strength to go into the bathroom, face wipes will always come in handy, you guys. This one is a game changer. I am telling you, this is one of the game changers I'm going to be sharing in this video, okay. I'm going to share several others and I'll let you know when I get into any of them, but this particular one was also a game changer, and that is washing your pillowcase at least once in every 2 days. And I'm not exaggerating, yes. And I always say that it shouldn't even be difficult because as a woman or as a man, so long as you put on panties or you put on boxers, okay, of any kind, you put on an underwear, when you're going into the bathroom, it is normal that as you're taking your bath, you wash your pants, you wash your bras, you wash your underwears or your boxers. So in that same manner, when you enter the bathroom to take your bath, just before you have your bath and you're washing your underwears, you can actually wash the pillowcase that you just woke up with that morning. Wash it, dry it. See, even if it's only one pillowcase you have, by the time you go to work and come back, it would have dried because pillowcases are usually made in very light materials, okay, and they are small, so it's easier for them to dry out. If you need to take them outside or keep them close to a window inside your house so that they can dry out properly, then please do it. But by all means, just try. And now the reason why this is also important is that whenever you go out, whether you take your bath eventually or not, okay, products from your hair, bacteria from your face from the previous night, if you're a woman, makeup that you did not take off is going to rub off on your pillowcase. A visitor can come and just roll on your bed. Hey babes, how far now? And guy, waiting they happen. And they have, sweaty body, sweaty palms, and they're going to put it on your pillow. Those are bacteria being dumped on your pillowcase, okay? And then you now carry the same pillow, and when you want to sleep, you put your face on it. The next day, you put your face on it. Another day, you put your face on it. 7 days in a week. My Jesus, my goodness, my goodness. Best bet, okay, you guys, is to go for pillowcases or bed sheets that come in fours. Okay, there are some bed sheets that come with 4 pillowcases. Go for those ones so that you know that you don't have to be washing them every single time. If you're somebody who likes to dump a lot of your dirty clothes into the laundry bag before you do any washing, but like I said, it's very easy if you just take it into the bathroom with you as you're going to take your bath, and you wash them immediately. Let me tell you guys another thing that I started to do. This was also a game changer, and I would not say in the scale of the game changers, this is probably in the scale of 5 to 6, okay, out over 10, and that is exercising. You guys, people, doctors, what are they called? They were not joking when they say that what you put into your body, what you feed your body, is what your body gives to you. And I'm not just even talking about food, I'm talking about exercising. Yes, I noticed that whenever I exercise, normally I like to exercise in the night or in the evenings. Okay, if I need to go for walks, or even do home workouts, I like to do them in the night between 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 p.m. That's when I like to do my workouts. I don't know if I'm weird or if I'm the only one who does that. If you do it as well, let me know in the comment section below. So I noticed that whenever I work out, okay, for like 2 days stretch, the next day I'm always feeling more energetic, more happy, more, I feel like my skin becomes even tighter. It just generally boosts your metabolism in your body. It triggers the right hormones that are going to make whatever is needed to make your face pop from inside of your body to do their job effectively. There are also face exercises that you can do to improve your face, both your face shape, okay, your elasticity, to support whatever product that you're using. If you would like to know about those face exercises, let me know in the comment section below. I remember that I did mention, okay, in the other video where I talked about the things you shouldn't be doing, okay, I did mention that I was going to I might be sharing with you face exercises that you can do to improve the general well-being of your face. If you like to know those exercises still, let me know in the comment section below. Now see, whatever you do on your face, please try to make sure that you exfoliate at least twice a week. Let me tell you, at a point I wanted to by myself tune it down to say once a week, okay, but then I realized that most of the times whenever I come to the realization that I actually use foundation on my face, I get scared because I feel like my cleanser will not take it off properly. I feel like even if I just use proper soap and sponge, okay, soap and sponge, yes, it might not take it off properly. So I might need to get my exfoliating brush, my exfoliating soap to exfoliate properly, and that way I'm just sure that the impurities, okay, are washed off my face completely. So by all means, exfoliate at least twice a week, and if possible steam your face once a week. If you have a very sensitive skin, I would advise that you steam your face at least twice every month or 3 times every month. Find the spacing that works for you, but try as much as possible to steam your face with anything, even as little as just hot water. Okay, the steam from hot water, you don't even have to put anything inside of it. Any extra thing that you put is just to your added benefit, okay, your added advantage for your face and your general well-being. Okay, whatever you add into the hot water while you're steaming is not just going to improve your face or the skin around your face, but it's also going to improve your body inside. All right, so yes, make sure that you exfoliate, make sure that you steam your face. It is going to go a long way in taking care of your skin. And trust me, you guys, you see this one about steaming, it was also a game changer. And the first time it occurred to me that I wasn't paying attention to steaming was when I watched a video by Austin Betha, also known as Betha's Corner. I'm going to leave the handle to her channel here so that you can check her out. And then few weeks later, I stumbled on a video where Ogum series, I think that was about last year anyway, where she made a video about steaming, and since then I have not gone back, my darling. And trust me, like I keep saying, people who know me are testifying, and it's not like I'm using very big products. In fact, I'm not even waiting at the use. I'm not the what am I using? Okay, it's not like I'm doing all the skincare shenanigans and stuff like that. No, but you guys, I know that my skin is not where I want it to be, but people, everybody around me thinks that my skin is as flawless as they've never ever seen it before. And I mean, you can tell, at least if you've been watching my videos previously from years back, you should be able to tell the difference with my face. Okay, these were just the little things I did aside using products, even when I was not using products, that actually changed my acne game, my skincare game for the better. Let me tell you something. I don't know why some people are not taking this one serious, but this is a game changer, yo. Should I say it? You guys, shaving your facial hairs. Let me tell you, no matter how sleek your skin is, you might be tempted to say, oh, they are not facial hairs. My darling, get you a shaving stick or get you the right shaving comb. I think they have a shaving comb, a particular type of blade that they use to shave. You can use to shave your face if you do not want to use a proper shaving stick that you can use to shave off your face. There are always little hairs that you don't know. This thing clog your pores, so when there are dirt, okay, and impurities on your skin, they actually feed around those areas, okay, where the hair is situated. That also now makes it easy for breakouts to accumulate, to build up, and then to eventually pop out of your skin. So please shave, even if you cannot go to a spa, even if you cannot afford a beauty treatment, shave your face. Yes. Now when I say shave, I mean shave your face. You see all these areas, shave it all down. Shave down, shave all these places, shave underneath here, shave. Be careful with this place so that I don't shave off your eyebrow. Shave your face. Let me tell you, anytime you do this and then you wash off, moisturize properly to keep your skin hydrated, trust me, by the time you wake up the next morning, you're gonna be feeling like a baby girl and a baby boy. So you need to try out these tips, and when you are done trying them out, my darling, you better come and pay your dues. You better come and pay your homage, okay, you guys. Now that brings me to my next point, which is moisturize your face with oil. Yes, oil your face. Let me tell you, like I said in the other time, okay, in the other video, I used to be of the opinion that how can I be acne prone because I'm having excess oil production on my face. And you're asking me to come and rub oil, any kind of oil for that matter. It is still oil. Is it not soggy? It's not something that's going to choke up my skin and all of that good stuff. And let me tell you guys, I finally got the right oil, at least for now, that works for my face and has been doing wonders for my face, okay? And that is still all thanks to Betha. It was in one of her videos where I saw that it was literally her night routine, and I was like, Betha, you acne prone, how? And I decided to give it a try, and since then, my darlings, I have not gone back, and I don't think I'm going back anytime soon, because the benefit that comes with using this particular oil that I use currently is beautiful, and you can get it anywhere in any local store that sells organic products, okay? And that is what coconut oil. Yes, moisturize your face, keep your face hydrated. It's always tempted to think that because your skin is already oily, you don't want to, add extra oil. What it is going to do is that it is going to help balance the pH level of your skin, of the skin on your face, sorry, and help you control excess oil. Surprisingly, yes, using coconut oil on your face is also going to help you control that excess oil on your face. Now, if you're watching this video, give this a try for 1 week. For the next 1 week, I'm not saying use it morning and night. Before you go to bed, wash off your face. Do not use any other makeup product. Just use your coconut oil. And let me tell you one thing that this thing does. Even if I always also add something else to it, okay, to make it better and to get better results that you're probably seeing from this video. What coconut oil does is that it goes and sits into your skin to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated, so that the excess oil, okay, that you've lost from activities during the day, scrubbing your face while washing it, the oil just comes back to your face. And then when you top this with Vaseline literally seals in every single moisture and make sure that you do not lose moisture while rubbing your face on your bed or on your pillowcase while you're sleeping or when you're on the sofa. That it makes sure that the oil on your skin, the actual oil on your skin that you need for your skin to be healthy, does not rub off, leaving your skin dry and scaly, okay? Not moisturizing properly is the reason why sometimes, as someone who is acne prone, you suddenly discover that for some reason you're having scaly skin. It's looking like your skin is dry on some days. That is because your skin is dehydrated, my darling. So please moisturize with oils, preferably coconut oil, okay? And when I say coconut oil, please, before I end this particular point and move to the next one, please make sure that you use the cold pressed coconut oil, not the hot pressed coconut oil. I think in another video as well, again, I've been making a lot of promises in my videos recently. I don't know, but anyway, people ask me to deliver on, I'm going to deliver. So maybe in another video, I'm going to come and share with you all the benefits that you can reap from using coconut oil on your face, on your hair, on different parts of your body. I'm also going to share with you the difference between the cold pressed coconut oil and the hot pressed coconut oil, and which of them you should be using in your house, okay, to achieve whatever result it is that you want to achieve for your skin. Which is now, that brings me to the other side of the things on my list, which consists of things like, okay, not wearing makeup every single time. Yes, see, sometimes I know you want to look good and popping and all of that, but for the sake of your skin health, especially if you are acne prone or you've had breakouts in the past, or you are easily triggered, maybe because you usually have hormonal imbalance, or things like PMS, okay, triggers acne or breakouts to come out on your face, or even diet, the things you put in your mouth triggers breakout to come out on your face. You want to make sure that on some days you are going out without any makeup on. Yes, even if you have to put anything on your face, go for white powder, this normal talc powders. Okay, yes, it helps your skin, to breathe. And even also added to that, which is also the next point following on this one, is that on some days as well, when you want to go to bed, do not moisturize, do not oil your face. If you need to use your cleanser to clean your face or wash your face, fine, but wash your face properly with soap and water. Maybe on one of the days when don't spend your entire day on makeup, wash your face properly. Do not apply anything, do not apply your cream or anything on your face, and just go to bed like that. Yes, allow your skin to breathe. It has pores, it breathes, okay, it takes in air also by itself, so allow it to breathe, let it receive fresh air inside of the pores, inside every part and follicles of the skin. It needs it very importantly, okay. And if you do this, you guys, trust me, it's going to go a long way in helping you. If you find this video helpful and relatable at any point, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Do not forget to like this video if you haven't at this point already. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification, you guys. Another thing that you can do is to stay away from touching your face. See, this one, even till today, I struggle with it. I know it is not easy, but as much as possible, reduce the frequency of how you touch your face. Whatever you do, just try to make sure that you keep your hand out of your face. And then now, following in on that, one thing that was also a huge game changer for me, you guys, and which some of us do not like, because it's always too serious and gingy. One is not like you have kwashiorkor or something, okay, one serious ailment, and then you have to be so strict about your diet. Is of course your diet, what you put into your mouth. I realized that if in the month of April 2023 I eat a lot of fruit, a lot of vegetables, and I drink loads of water, regardless of any other thing that I eat, by May 2023, if you skin my skin, if you see my skin, you're going to be shocked. So that means that fruits and vegetables are very important. Green vegetables, green fruit, healthy fruits. Make sure that you're eating fruit. One thing I actually want you to look out for when you're getting fruit is to make sure that the fruit that you're getting are seasonal fruit. Why am I saying seasonal fruit? Most of the fruit in the market these days, in your farmers market, in the supermarket, are organic, are chemical. There's a name they are called, I can't remember what it's called right now, but there's a chemical name that they are called, okay, that helps to preserve them, that through which they are even, some of them are grown, okay, with those kind of dangerous chemicals and preservatives that are harmful to human health in the long run, that also causes cancers and all of that sickness in the future. So you want to stay away from fruits. For example, there are some fruits that, for example, that normally, based on season and nature, they usually come out in the month of February. But by the time they come out in the month of February, you realize that in your locale or in your area, that the fruit is always on the fruit sellers table, January, March, April, May, down to December, down to the following February. It's like it never goes out of season. Stay away from those kind of fruits. It is best if you feed on fruits that come in season. For instance, now is the season of mangoes. Eat a lot of mangoes as you can. Tomatoes is out. Eat a lot of tomatoes. Incorporate it into your diet as much as you can. Okay, you get what I mean? So those kind of fruits, after like the next 1 month or so, mango is going to phase out, and then we'll be waiting for it to come back next year, okay, or towards the end of the year, depending on the kind of mango. Those are the kind of fruits you should take. Those ones that are always around, year in, year out, please stay away from them. And even if you know those ones that are always available year in, year out, but their particular seasons, aim or target to get them or to eat a lot of them during that time that is their natural season to come out. And take a lot of water, my darling. You're going to be grateful and thankful. You wouldn't even need any skincare product and all of that, okay? You don't need to spend your money so much, because you'd have taken care of majority of the problem, okay, the root cause, which is your diet. And honestly, I want to argue with a doctor on Twitter. We call him Doctor of the Future, G Diet, okay, who always says that the first solution to being treated is to pay attention to your diet. Your diet solves everything. Now that brings me to the end of this video, you guys. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. If you did, if you found any of the points that I listed in this video helpful, please share this video. Help us to hit our next milestone, okay, in our watch hours, in our subscriber count. Until I come your way next time in another very beautiful, informative video. This is Simply Sugar.